All right, today we're gonna go over how to make a total body training session. As normal, you are gonna require a warm up and then your training session. For this sample training workout, for the warm up, I have push ups, 2 sets of 20, pull ups, 2 sets of 5, squats, 2 sets of 15, body weight, and then the RDL, 2 sets of 10 just with the bar. So this is an adequate warm up to get us ready to go for a total body training session. The training session I designed here, everything is supersetted. To be more specific, in the beginning for the lower body, these are considered compound sets. In other words, you're doing the same type of movement back to back. So you have squat, 4 sets of 5, assisted squat, 4 sets of 10. So you'll do your set of 5 and then go straight to your assisted squat, 10 reps, and then you'll jump back and forth till you move to the next set of exercises. Because both of these are squatting movements, it would be considered a compound set. So the reason why I have assisted squat with squat is so that this will help you squat down low on your regular squats, your weighted squats. Next, we have RDL and back extensions. RDL is a hinge movement. Back extensions are also a hinge movement. Therefore, this would be considered a compound set because you're doing two of the same type of movements. So here you would have 4 sets of 6. This would be weighted. And then back extensions is 4 sets of 6 as well. Those would be unweighted. And this movement here will help you with your RDL because this will help keep your back flat, which is one of the culprits for the RDL, is being able to maintain a flat back throughout that movement. And then we would start with the lower body and then move into the upper body because your lower body has the bigger muscles. So when you do a total body training session, you always want to start with the lower body first because it requires it encompasses the bigger muscles, which once you work out your bigger muscles, it allows for better blood flow when you do your upper body. And so next we will move on to bench press, supersetted with dumbbell row. This is considered a traditional superset because you have two different types of movements. This was a pressing movement and this was a pulling movement. And they're both horizontal if you want to go into detail. So you're pressing horizontally, rowing horizontally. And I have 4 sets of 5, superset with 4 sets of 8, which once again, you will do your set of 5 on bench press and then immediately do 8 reps on dumbbell row until you finish with 4 sets of each. Then we move on to barbell military press and cable pull downs. This is essentially the same format as 3A and 3B. You have a pressing movement and a pulling movement, but instead of horizontally, these are vertical movements. So this is a vertical pressing movement, and this is a vertical rowing movement. And we would do 4 sets of 5 on the military press, then immediately go to the cable pull downs, 4 sets of 10. And then once you get done with 4 sets of each of those, we'll just finish with some core work, which I have here is just 4 sets of 30. So not supersetting this with anything, although you could maybe work in shoulders right here. For this sample workout, I just have crunches. So I'm just gonna point out how the warm up prepares you for the actual workout. So here you have a press, and then with the pull-ups, you have a pull, which you'll see in the workout. The bench press, that's a press. The barbell military, that's a press. And then this is a pull, the dumbbell row, the cable pull downs, that's also a pull. So we got 2 movements that'll prepare you for what's in the workout. The same thing goes for the lower body. This is a squat, obviously. And then in the actual workout, you have squat. So that's going to prepare you for this. Here's what we would consider a hinge movement. And in your workout, hinge. So now you can also see how this is considered a compound. It's the same movement back to back. That would be considered a compound set. Same thing here, same type of movement back to back. So it's considered a compound set. And then here you have opposite movement, a press and a pull, press and a pull. These are your traditional superset. So 2 squat movements, same type of movement, that's a compound set. 2 hinge movements, compound. Opposite movement, press and pull, will give you your traditional superset. And with the warm up, you can see by involving a press, pull, squat, and hinge, we're prepared for our workout because we have press, pull, squats, and hinges. And that's your simple total body workout.